This isn't just coffee, it's a ritual. The V60 method unlocks flavors you never knew existed, but most people get it wrong. Today, I'll show you the exact steps to make a perfect V60 pour-over. Smooth, balanced, and bursting with flavor. Trust me, one mistake can ruin everything. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your V60 filter paper. I use a medium-size Hario V60 filter paper. Any brand works. Fold the seams exactly as I demonstrate, then set it aside. Step 2. Place the filter in the dripper. Insert the folded filter paper into the dripper. Step 3. Heat the water. Use an electric kettle to heat water to 90 to 96 degrees Celsius. I prefer 94 degrees Celsius for medium roast beans. Adjust based on your beans roast level. I'm using a Brewista kettle, a barista favorite. Step 4. Measure your dose. Today, I'm using 18 grams of Colombian beans ground to a medium fine size, with a 1 to 15 ratio. I'll extract 270 grams of coffee. Aim to finish brewing in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's brew together. 1. Rinse the filter. Wet the filter paper slightly to eliminate any paper taste. Discard the rinse water. 2. Add coffee. Place the grounds into the dripper. First pour. Slowly pour 60 milliliters of water. Let it bloom for 30 seconds. This releases CO2 and enhances flavor. Second pour. At 30 seconds, add another 60 milliliters. Wait until 1 minute total. This extracts the core sweetness and body. Third pour. At 1 minute, pour 60 milliliters to clarify the brew and highlight mild acidity. Fourth pour. At 1 minute, 30 seconds, add 90 milliliters. Let it drain completely, about 2 minutes 30 seconds, 3 minutes total. Step 4. Once drained, gently swirl the server to balance the extraction. I love serving mine with sparkling water to complement the coffee's profile. That's it. Easy, right? Try this recipe and share your results in the comments. Happy brewing! Stay tuned for more videos.